Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how to improve our English conversation skills. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, this video is for you. We will talk about why conversation practice is important, some basic rules for speaking, and useful tips to become a better English speaker. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to train yourself to have smooth and natural English conversations. So, let's begin. Why is English conversation training important? Learning English grammar and vocabulary is good, but if you don't practice speaking, you won't be able to use what you have learned in real life. English conversation training helps you gain confidence. Speaking practice makes you feel more comfortable using English. Improve pronunciation. When you talk regularly, your pronunciation gets better. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, you start thinking in English. Understand native speakers. Conversation practice helps you understand fast speech and different accents. Make fewer mistakes. The more you speak, the better you get at avoiding grammar and vocabulary mistakes. Basic rules for a good conversation in English. Before we start practicing, let's look at some important rules that will help you speak better. Listen carefully. Good conversation is not only about speaking. Listen to the other person and respond accordingly. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Speak at a comfortable speed so that others can understand you. Use simple sentences. In the beginning, don't try to use difficult words or long sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Keep speaking and learning from them. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask the speaker to repeat or explain. Use body language. Smile. Nod, and use hand gestures to make your conversation more natural. How to train yourself for English conversations. Now, let's look at some effective ways to practice English conversation. 1. Talk to yourself. Choose a topic and talk about it in English for 2 to 3 minutes. Describe what you see around you or what you did during the day. This will help you become more comfortable with speaking. 2. Find a speaking partner. Practice with a friend, family member, or online language partner. Join English-speaking groups or communities where people practice English. 3. Use English in daily life. Try ordering food in English when visiting a restaurant. Speak in English while shopping or traveling. Talk to customer service in English if needed. 4. Practice common conversations. Learn basic conversation patterns like greetings, introductions, and small talk. Example: A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm good, thank you. How about you? A. I'm doing well. What are you up to? B. Just relaxing at home. How about you? A. I'm planning to go for a walk. It's a nice day outside. 5. Watch and imitate native speakers. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Try to copy the way native speakers talk, including their tone and expressions. 6. Record yourself speaking. Choose a topic and record yourself speaking in English. Listen to the recording and check for mistakes. Try to improve your pronunciation and fluency by speaking again. 7. Learn useful phrases and idioms. Instead of memorizing single words, learn whole phrases. Example: how's it going? Instead of just, how are you? That sounds great. Instead of just, good. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. A natural way to pause before answering. 8. Join online speaking platforms. There are many apps and websites where you can talk to native English speakers. Some popular platforms are Hello Talk, Tandem, Speaky, Cambly for talking to native teachers. 9. Read and summarize. Read a short story or news article and try to summarize it in English. This will help you improve your vocabulary and sentence structure. 10. Play role-playing games. Act out different situations, such as ordering food, making a phone call, or asking for directions. Example. Situation. You're in a restaurant. You. Excuse me, can I see the menu? Waiter. Sure. Here it is. You. I'd like to order a cheeseburger with fries, please. Waiter. Would you like something to drink? You. Yes, I'll have a glass of water. Mistakes to avoid while practicing English conversation. Translating too much. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Speaking too fast. Slow down and focus on clarity. Being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't stop speaking just because of small errors. Ignoring pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced. Using only text-based learning. Reading and writing are good, but speaking is necessary to improve fluency. Conclusion. In this video, we learned why English conversation training is important and how to practice it effectively. We talked about useful techniques like talking to yourself, finding a speaking partner, using English in daily life, and imitating native speakers. We also discussed common mistakes that learners should avoid. Now it's your turn. Start practicing today using the tips we discussed. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and fluent you will become. Keep speaking and improving every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!